From Bo Bunny, we have a new paper pad. This is called Celebrating Freedom, and there are 48 papers. They are all 12 by 12. What I like about what Bo Bunny does in their papers is that they are everything coordinates. Now that may seem obvious, but it's not true with all companies. So let me show you. Now there's 48 papers, but you're going to get 24 patterns, so you're going to get 2 of each. So I will flip through these pretty quickly just to show you each one, so you can be counting if you like. So all over patterns, these are single-sided. There is a hole at the top, and there is a line to cut that off so that you do end up with a true 12 by 12. So you can see, although it's called Celebrating Freedom, and you know you're going to see a lot of red, white, and blue, you're also going to see some papers that will coordinate. Then there's this sheet that has 15 cutouts in the borders as well. Going to get 2 of those. Ice cream is just good. We're in that season. Stars and stripes all over this. Butterflies, you know, well, butterflies just work all the time. I think the little ladybugs are for summer and just really sweet. We've got some tone-on-tone flowers as well as some strawberries. So this is kind of a whole summer thing. The black is going to work as a really nice combination with the papers. Giant patriotic butterflies, a good stripe, as you can see, a gingham with stars, and a blue. Now this has got that ghosted back. It's the floral pattern that you saw earlier. And we have, I'm trying to get this, come on. Okay, there is another one with lots of cutouts. So 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 more. So you're going to end up with 32. And you can see the fireworks as well as pinwheels, a very summer theme. The blue stripes and watermelon slices. So it's just very tasty for all summer long, even though it is titled Celebrating Freedom. And then we have the stars, and then we're back. So that was 24 designs. You're going to get 2 of each one. Now, in addition, there is this set of die cuts, and there are 61 designs. So you can see what they look like on the website, but you can see the same motifs are here. And some of these are really substantial size, which is very nice, as you can see with this. And it goes down to little ones too. So we've got some fireworks, as you might think, Let Freedom Ring, as well as butterflies and ladybugs and so forth. Now, if you want to pair these with some other things, may I suggest the Patriotic Sparklets. As you can see, these are all, I hope you can see, these are all stars. Just attach them with the Cosmic Shimmer Specialist acrylic glue, and that's going to be very fun. Just really add some sparkle in there. And if you're looking for ribbons, well, we certainly have red, white, and blue to coordinate with all of your summer celebrating, as well as Independence Day. So all of this is in stock right now and can be yours at paperwishes.com.